That is so cute. Good morning, and today is VEDA day 4. It's so nice here at the cottage. We just woke up. It's kind of humid. We have the air conditioning going inside, but I just wanted to show you how nice of a day it looks. Fishermen out there. Other fishermen out there. It's so calm. Do you got a stick, Walter? Did you find a stick? No running with sticks in your mouth.
Your mom there? Is that your mom?
Hi, buddy. Let's go visit Sky Mall. Sky Mall.
Why am I gonna love it? Sky Mall. I got my TV, my Xbox, DVD.
Wally, what are you doing? Walter, stay here. I heard you. So we were gonna go into town, but we decided not to because there's a long lineup for the ferry, and we're just gonna hang out here, which is perfect because it's such a nice day. Probably go in the water and relax. We didn't go to bed till quite late. Oh, Walter. And yeah, we're just gonna have a wonderful day. Walter's been swimming. I don't think I have, Walter, come, any footage from yesterday, so technically I'm missing a day of VEDA, but I'm just, whatever. Anyways, oh, he's gonna go for the water. No, buddy. I have some dirt in the water chute. Here, buddy, come here. Yay! He's swimming! Good job! This is so much better for him to come in. There's no rock. Okay, you can stop. Okay. Oh. He like ran back in the water. it is 7:30 and we are going to head into town to maybe get some more coffee, maybe some ice cream, and we brought Walter with us. Walter was swimming all day. He became like within a day has just become a huge water dog, and like if we would let him outside, he'd just run right to the water without even his life jacket on. So that's really fun, and also really nice to know that we can take him to the cottage and he can cool off in the water. We're having a really nice time, but tomorrow we are going home, sadly. The summer weekends are coming to a close. Are you sad about that?
Yeah.
Summer's almost over. How do you feel about that?
Not looking forward to the winter.
No, but thankfully fall is pretty long here. Like it does, really it's not winter until December. At least in Ontario, or at least where we are in the Toronto area, so.